I just got a job, but I was unemployed for 3 months.
Okay, so
And you charged me twice. I'd like the court to know that I was charged twice. I was billed twice. I paid two payments, two 1679 payments. And for everybody else on this call who's hearing this, I'm paying 1679 for one child, and I paid that twice in August. The state did nothing to correct that. I was unemployed for a few months. The state was still billing me that same rate, and I wasn't getting paid anything at all.
Your Honor, the state filed a modification in this case. There is one child before the court. There are no agreements. I call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Nicole Hall.
Ma'am, what's the name and age of the child in this case?
Brighton Hall, he's 9.
And who does the child live with?
He lives with me.
Ma'am, was there a previous order ordering child support?
Yes.
And ma'am, was there a previous order regarding medical support?
Yes.
Please tell the judge who was ordered to carry medical support in the past.
Yes, Judge. The father, Alan Hall, was ordered to pay for the child's medical, dental, and vision.
Okay. And can you tell the judge what was the previous amount of your child support?
$1679.
Okay. And ma'am, based on the information that the state received, we are calculating that child support should now be $1,840 beginning December 1st, 2023. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes.
And ma'am, are you asking the court for the father to carry insurance through TRICARE?
Yes.
And ma'am, to your understanding, is there a cost for TRICARE, or is that free?
Under his retired TRICARE, it should be free. I'm not completely sure at this time.
And ma'am, are you asking for your address to remain private from this court record?
Yes.
Why?
I just feel safer that way.
Okay. Has there been any issues with family violence between you and the father since the last order?
No.
Okay. What do you think would happen if the father had your address?
I don't know. I mean, anything is possible in the world we live today.
Okay, I pass this witness. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
My name is Alan Hall Jr.
And Mr. Hall, were you previously ordered to pay child support?
Yes.
How much was your previous amount?
It changed several times, but the last one was 1679.
Okay. And you understand that the state is now asking for $1,840.
Yeah, I understand I'm getting charged the max, absolutely.
Okay, are you in agreement with that?
I don't have a choice.
Sir, are you currently receiving retired military benefits?
I get retired pay, that's it.
Okay. And you understand that we calculated
TRICARE for retired is not free.
Okay, how much is TRICARE for if you were to enroll your child, or how much is it now?
I don't know, because when I tried to call, they didn't let me do it because he was already being covered. So I don't know what the cost will be, but it will be a cost.
Okay. Do you know if that cost is reasonable?
Of course it's not reasonable, but I don't have a choice. I have to pay it.
Do you have, I know you said you don't know, but is it like $1,000, $100? Do you have any indication of how much that insurance is?
I think all total, I think it's like $500 a month.
For just the child or for both of you?
For the plan, yeah.
Okay, for both of you?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's say $250 for the child.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, besides TRICARE, it's my understanding that you are also working. Is that correct?
I just got a job, but I was unemployed for 3 months.
Okay,
and you charged me twice in one of those months, and I wasn't getting
paid.
What? You charged me twice.
You charged me twice?
The court, the state, whoever, they charged me twice in August.
Okay. And you understand you can contact the Office of the Attorney General if you want to dispute any charge.
I did that, and they didn't respond at all.
So back to the issue at hand, as far as your new employment, does that employer offer any insurance?
I go with Humana Military, so I declined and I stayed with the retired plan.
Well, the reason I ask is because I hear you saying that TRICARE is expensive. Have you explored the cost
It's
that it
more,
would?
yes, it's more
Okay,
expensive for
okay,
civilian military.
okay, understood. Do you have any other information that you would like to offer to the court?
Yes. I'd like the court to know that I was charged twice. I was billed twice. I paid two payments, two 1679 payments. And for everybody else on this call who's hearing this, I'm paying 1679 for one child, and I paid that twice in August. The state did nothing to correct that. I was unemployed for a few months. The state was still billing me that same rate, and I wasn't getting paid anything at all. And then I finally got a job now, making less than what I was making before, and now I'm getting charged the max. So I tried to call healthcare, TRICARE. They said he was already being covered by someone for free, but yet it sounds like that you want me to pay it, and I'm fine with that. I've done everything I'm supposed to do since this whole thing started. It's for me, it's not about doing what I need to do because I'm all for that. But I don't think that's the case for everybody involved.
All right, sir, regarding the mother's request for non-disclosure, are you in agreement with her address remaining private from the court record?
Absolutely. I don't need that at all. Yeah.
Okay. I pass this witness.
All right. If you find something cheaper, definitely try to do that, Mr. Hall. I'm going to order you carry the health insurance. The payment you extra made, that's not relevant to what we're here for today. What you need to look at is see if they did reflect both payments on your pay record. And
Absolutely.
if they did, then you got credit. Please don't interrupt me. If they have given you credit for both payments, then you haven't lost any money. If you were out of work, then it paid for some of those arrears maybe. Or if you had no arrears, then it paid for future child support. So you're not losing either way unless it doesn't show that you have made a payment. So sometimes that may happen if you have two jobs and the employers don't know what they're supposed to do as far as what they're supposed to stop or whatever. So that's probably what the problem was. It wasn't that, it was kind of that transition time. Child support is $1,840, and I'm not granting your non-disclosure request, Ms. Hall. If there's no reason to give it, then there's no reason to do it. Both y'all are to let each other know each other's addresses. I cannot make assumptions based on no information or no evidence, or just because I don't want to. So you need to let Mr. Hall know where you live so that he has that address, and he needs to do the same. The Attorney General's office will draft an order with all that in there, and I will sign it and then email you a copy. Y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.